Hi, this week on Title Talk we're going to talk about the effects of renting your property on your homestead exemption. Hi, my name is James Brown. I'm an attorney at James Brown Law and New Path Title, and this week we are talking about renting your property. It's your homestead, and how long can you rent it before you lose your homestead exemption. So the Palm Beach County government site, which is pbocgov.org/PAPA, puts their rules up, and they are simply this. You may rent your homestead property for 30 days or less per calendar year and maintain a homestead exemption. However, rental for more than 30 days for 2 consecutive years or for more than 6 months in any year constitutes abandonment of homestead exemption. So here's the way it plays out. If you rent your property for 30 days per year for ongoing years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're never going to lose your homestead. However, if you rent your property for 30 days the first year and more than 6 months the second year, you're going to lose your homestead exemption as soon as you rent for more than 6 months. The other thing you could be aware of is you could rent your property for, let's just say, 30 days the first year, 5 months the second year, 30 days the third year, 5 months the fourth year, and you wouldn't lose your homestead. It's when you go over that 6 months per year or 30 days for 2 consecutive years. So if you rented your property for 30 days the first year, 40 days the second year, and 30 days the third year, you would be okay.
So would I be able to rent my home for 5 months every year?
You could not rent your home for 5 months every year because you would be renting it for more than 30 days for 2 consecutive years.
Got it.
So if you rented your property for 40 days the first year and 40 days the second year, you would lose your homestead exemption. Homestead exemption registration filing is due by March 1st of the year you want to collect your homestead exemption in, which means you are in possession and living in the property by January 1st of that year. So let's say January 1st of 2021 you're in the property. By March 1st of that 2021 you made your application. It's very important to note that the property appraiser puts the burden on the homeowner, this is really important, to notify them if they're renting the property in excess of the allotted time. So if the rules require, if you violated the rules from a homestead exemption, what they're saying is it's up to the homeowner to report that. If they don't report that, then the homeowner is in violation and they can be fined by the Department of Revenue or by the local taxing authority. And then what happens is the burden's on you so that you have to defend. It's not up to them to catch you, it's up to you to report it. And I will bring to your attention, we've represented many clients where the county is using surveillance equipment to keep track of satellite photography, to keep track of what cars are showing up in the parking lot, and they'll have video records of what cars are there and for how long and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions on that, it sounds complicated. It's not. 30 days in any 1 year is okay. Less than 6 months is okay, but you can't do it multiple years over 30 days at a time. Give me a call, Jim Brown. You can always find my number at New Path Title at the top under Realtor Resources. Stay tuned for another Title Talk next week. Take care.